How to change the password of your Yahoo Mails account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the password of your Yahoo Mails account. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Play Store or App Store. And now in the search bar, type in Yahoo. Now download the Yahoo Mail app, and once it's downloaded, open it. Now make sure you are logged into your Yahoo Mails account on the mobile app, and now once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen and then tap on Manage Accounts. Now right under your name and your username, you'll see the option in blue named Account Info, so tap on it. After that, it'll take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option Security Settings and then enter your device PIN. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option Change Password. Now you can simply enter a new password for your account which you want to change. Now once you've selected a password for your account, tap on Continue. And there you have it. You have successfully changed the password of your Yahoo Mails account on your mobile device. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.